were having an awesome trail ride until we discovered this rock underwater in a murky water crossing. All of us had gotten high-centered over this rock, or at least a bit stuck. One of our friends on a KLR decided to show it who's boss. There he is, entering the water, full speed ahead. It wheelies him. He puts the KLR into the trees and rests. And now we have to go for the extra slow-mo edition. One more thing, you didn't think we were going to end the movie right there, did you? We've got the aftermath. And you're going to see in a second the position or posture that a man takes after giving birth to a KLR. There's Hanny on his back in a substantial bit of pain. And I'm telling him to relax and just lay down. I'm going to take off my gloves. I am not going to touch him. This video is not edited. And I'm going to leave my helmet pointed in a direction towards the bike here. And a piece of his windshield broke off. It's to the left of the screen. And we have a friend by the name of Zed who's going to pick it up in a second and walk around with it like he's trying to find out where it came from. And he's just going to throw it under the front wheel of the bike for some reason. And walk away. There he is picking it up. Do. Must fit that bike. And off he goes.